Emani Ellis, I got an idea. Being that you gotta get up that $20,000 for Cardib, make t-shirts. Have them read, I sued Cardib and I lost. Sell them for like $10, $12 each. So you get your $20,000 and pay her off. Because you didn't sign an NDA saying you can't use her name. You can't make money off of her. You're not like Tasha K. Tasha blew it. She can't even say Cardib's name. She can't make t-shirts. Emani Ellis. Anyway, get those t-shirts. Have them read, I sued Cardib and I lost. Anyway, carry on.